This is just to remind homeowners, installers, breakdown engineers, everyone who has central heating to check that the valves actually work and the room thermostats actually work and the programmers. And as we can see here, it's absolutely vital because these zone valves, they're actually called actuators, and they will seize up after a few years. Normally they pack up after about year 6, 7 or 8. So a telltale sign is the automatic air vent inside the boiler, or maybe even outside if you've got access. But any sign of leakage of water means you have a hydraulic problem. And the way to solve that is, of course, is to replace that part. But we have to do certain things. So once we understand that the system needs attention, we need to get ourselves a decent engineer, factory trained hopefully, to solve the problems. One of the biggest areas is, of course, water pressure. Most systems only need one bar and inhibitor. That's basic and easy peasy, but a lot of installations don't do that. I see them at 1.5 bar or even higher. So another point to look at is in the summertime or any time of the year is your controls. What have you got screwed up on the wall? Is it in the hall or the stairs, in the landings or in the dining rooms? Anywhere, the lounge. Have a look at what clock you've got and how long it's been there. If it's not digital or better still open therm, you'd be wise to change it now. The same thing with programmers. Having a good smart programmer saves money, and now they have thermostats built in, so you've got 2 in 1. And that makes a huge difference to the way the boiler works and performs, etc. Now, to test any valve or actuator is very simple. We just turn off the central heating side of it, turn the thermostat down as well, and then we're only asking for hot water. So if we turn the tap on, give it a minute or so, and if we see that the central heating pipe is getting hotter and hotter, we need to replace the diverter valve. Here's a nice check for the boilers and what should be done in the summertime. If we see the numbers 3 and 4, they're the most important ones. We've got apps for that. But also tested the controls. So thanks for watching our video and take care. Don't forget my fault finding book, the yellow one. It's packed solid with all the hints and tips, and as you can see, here's a nice easy flow chart. Sequence of operations, not a problem. I've got them all, or I think I have. And again, if you come up to a noisy boiler, I've gone through even better than anything else that you might see. Popular faults, I've listed them down. There's a couple of pages of this. So once again, here's all the different things that we do. And I hope you can go onto the website, mrcombi.com, and go to the shop and order your books from there.